For more than a century, Britain was the financial heart of the world. London dictated capital flows, set global interest rates, and financed empires. Yet financial dominance, like political power, is never permanent. Britain did not lose its position suddenly. It lost it gradually through structural economic shifts, strategic miscalculations, and the rising costs of maintaining global supremacy in a changing world. Britain's financial strength was built on industrial dominance. The Industrial Revolution transformed productivity, exports, and wealth creation. Capital accumulated rapidly, feeding banks, insurance markets, and global investment. Finance was not abstract. It was anchored in real economic output. As global trade expanded, Britain positioned itself as the intermediary. Sterling became the preferred settlement currency. London evolved into the clearinghouse of global commerce. This role created immense influence, but also dependence on global stability. The gold standard reinforced Britain's credibility. Convertibility anchored trust, but also imposed rigidity. Monetary policy became constrained by gold flows, limiting Britain's ability to adapt during shocks. World War I shattered the system. Britain liquidated foreign assets, borrowed heavily, and suspended gold convertibility. Financial leadership now depended on debt rather than surplus. After the war, Britain attempted restoration instead of adaptation. It sought to reclaim its pre-war financial role without rebuilding its economic base. Rejoining the gold standard at an overvalued rate crippled exports. Deflation was imposed to protect sterling, sacrificing growth and employment. Economic rigidity weakened Britain's productive capacity. Finance became detached from industry, a fatal divergence. Meanwhile, the United States rose. Industrial scale, domestic markets, and creditor status shifted global finance across the Atlantic. Capital followed productivity. New York replaced London not through ambition, but through economic gravity. The Great Depression finalized Britain's decline. Sterling lost its reserve status. Confidence shifted permanently. After World War II, the dollar-based system institutionalized Britain's loss of financial primacy. Britain remained influential, but no longer dominant. Finance became regional, not global. Imperial retreat reduced capital inflows and geopolitical leverage. London adapted as a financial hub, but under a different hierarchy. Financial power follows production, credibility, and adaptability, not legacy. Britain did not lose power because it declined culturally or intellectually. It lost power because the economic foundations that sustained its financial dominance no longer existed. History rewards systems that adapt and quietly dismantles those that try to preserve the past.